I'm Ashley. I'm at the booth of Mode. We are manufactured from Beijing, China, and today I will introduce one interesting product named Mode Battery Hoist. Compared to the traditional one, they are battery powered, so save labor, save time. You can see there is an application named Mode Controller, so you can directly open it once the Wi-Fi connection and it will turn green. Okay, now we can name them side hoist 1, side hoist 2, side hoist, or front hoist, and we can make different groups. For example, here is Wi-Fi connection, and also you can use your phone for personal hotspot. For example, I click the 1, and then I will click go down. Just at this time, you see the hoist go down. So it's super easy for control and no need for cables. It saves a lot of time. And we got UL listed D8 Plus and the CSA. For this product, standard set is 1-ton dual brakes with 65 feet chain and with the charger, battery, and the very good quality flight case. Yes. Let's see more about Mode Hoist. www.modehoist.com. Thank you.